A 5.3 magnitude earthquake struck Mulugu in Telangana on Wednesday morning at 7:27 a.m., as reported by the National Center for Seismology. While no casualties or significant property damage were immediately reported, tremors were felt across parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, including Warangal. Residents described experiencing sudden jerks, swinging ceiling fans, and items falling from cupboards. Aftershocks are expected over the next few days, though experts advised there is no cause for panic.